Hello and good evening. My name is Ethan Walker, and today we are going to be doing lab number one, or interview number one, for Java 2. And we're going to be doing three separate things. First one we're going to be doing is an arithmetic equation. So we're going to start from the number 10, and we're going to add with an increment of 2. So 10 plus 2 plus 14, 10 plus 12 plus 14, and we're going to add all the way up to 100. And see how much the sum of that is. So we're going to start off here with that one first. So we're going to do public class main, public static void string args, and then now we're going to do int sum. So the variable sum is going to be equal 0. All right. We're going to use a for statement. So for int n is our going to use here is equals to 10. Alright, and we're going to do n. We want to go all the way up to 100. So there we go. And then lastly, what we want to do, we actually add a space there. There we go. That looks better. And then lastly, we're going to do n plus equal 2. Alright, there we go. So that's what we have here. And we're going to now open this up, go down, sum plus equals n. So we can just it can add all of it out. And we're going to do system.out.println sum. And now we can run it. Hold up, we're going to look it up here. And that is correct. 2,530 is the correct answer for that problem. So that's the first section that we have here. Alright, we're going to move on to the second section. So we can clear this out real quick. And for the second one, we're going to read a name and age once, and then we're going to print it out. So here we go. We're going to start off. We're going to import the Java utility scanner so we can have a user can import it. So we're going to say public class main string args again, and now we're going to do scanner, but we're going to do scanner in equals new scanner system.in. All right, that's correct. And then now, all right, so here we go. And now we're going to go down. We're going to do system out.print, and we're going to say here, instead of this, we're going to say enter your name. Alright, there you go. And now we're going to allow this to turn into a string, and we're going to do the same thing for the age, and there we go. We're going to change that to an integer. Alright. So now we have our, for the age, and so it can come back into a string and an integer. And lastly now, we're going to do system and we're going to say your name is to here plus name. Alright, and we're going to do plus and age plus and age is plus age. Alright, there we go. So there we go, and now we can run it. Alright, here we go, we got it right. And now we can say here, my name is Ethan. I am 20 years old. Oh, not much is old, that's one. 20. So let's say your name is Ethan. I can add a space there. And your age and There we go. That should fix it. Alright, there we go. So this is for the second one. It allows us to enter a name and it sends it back out. So Ethan and 20. And that's for the second part of this interview. Alright, so now for the last part, I'm going to get rid of this. We're going to use some of it, but I'm going to get rid of this for now. And this last part is we're going to repeat reading the name and age until the user enters -1 for the age. So we're going to do here, same thing, import utility scanner to allow us to use, allow the user to actually input their stuff. Alright, and then now we're going to do scanner in equals system.in. Alright. And now we're going to do a while statement. So while this is true, yep, while it's true, we're going to do system enter your age and we're going to put in parentheses -1 to quit. Alright, so there we go. Now we're going to move down and we're going to do int age. There we go. And the end, that next line. And now we're going to do while if age does equal -1, we're going to do system dot out print ln. We'll say goodbye, and now after that we'll do break. So this is the while statement that allows us, if this is true, so if it's -1, this will start the program immediately afterwards. And now we can keep it looping. We're going to do system.println is your name, your age is plus age, and then we're going to do this. What if I did forget? System.print your age. Yep, we're going to do your age, since that's what we're doing. And now we're going to do string name for next line. All right. Do system, you print age. Oh no, this is supposed to be name. That's my bad. Say your name is Alright, there we go. So now we can run it. So we can enter my age as 20. My name is Ethan. And it says here, and we can enter age again. Just keep on going. And we're going to say you're -1, and I'll say goodbye and we'll finish it. So thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.